So first time on big one then, David?
It's big.
It's big, isn't it? How big is it?
235 feet.
235 feet. Nice. You a bit scared?
A bit. Let's go. Let's go.
You ready for big one then, David?
A bit. A bit. I'm scared but excited at the same time. That's a good feeling, isn't it? It's coming in. I still think I like the old trains better. Okay, we've just been on big one and it was enjoyable, but every time it went down a drop, like I was like, alright, I'm going to tense my neck. On first drop, definitely tense your neck. If you don't know how to tense your neck, just do this. Because then your head's not just flopping around at the back. And also, I'll suggest sitting in the middle of the car. So like, you know, each individual car, sit in the middle of it, because that's a non-wheel seat. And if you're on a wheel seat, you're just going to be a lot more rough. So I would say if it's your first time, do that. Okay?
So what's special about the big one then, David?
It's the UK's tallest roller coaster for now.
For now.
Until Exodus.
Yeah.
Next year. Yeah. The iconic big one. So, yeah, we're going big one front row this time, so I can get an epic view. Some people even say if it's a nice and sunny day, which it isn't now, you can actually see Ireland. Okay, well we're doing big one front row. It's a real seat, so I kind of know what to expect. It's going to be a bit rougher, but still I want to know how it rides. Front row. Better than Icon. Done.
You doing it?
Yeah. That's ridiculous. Taller than the Statue of Liberty. And also near